ఓకేనా? Special awards for Telangana Ganga Film Awards 2025. Special awards. NTR National Award, Indian Film Artist, Sri Konigala Chiranjeevi. Pride Jairaj Film Award, Indian Film Personality, Sri Kamal Haasan. B.N. Reddy Film Award, Telugu Film Director, Sri Singitam Srinivasarao. Nagareddy and Chakrapani Film Award, Telugu Producer, Sri Chalasani Ashwini Dutt. T.L. Kantara Award for Telugu Film Artist, Sri R. Narayana Murthy. Raghupati and Venkaya Film Award, Film Personality Other than Artist, Telugu Cinema, Sri Ramesh Prasad Garu. C. Narayan Reddy Film Award, Poet, Writer of Telugu Cinema, Sri Sudha Ashok Teja. Akini Nageswara Film Award, Indian Film Artist, Female, Srimati Jayasudha. Thank you.
సో మీడియా వారికి దీనికి సంబంధించిన ఎవరైనా మిస్ అయితే లిస్ట్ తీసేసుకొని